Hi, Odette. I was just updating my progress report for the group. Um, and I noticed you didn't do any work last week. And what's really worrying me is that I have you as not completing anything. Okay? I've sent emails, messages. You've been coming to the live sessions. So I thought maybe a video would help, okay? So let me show you what I mean, okay? So, as you can see, this is what you need to be doing, okay? 100% finished and at least 70%, okay? This is good. This is a unit completed here, okay? Perfect. But as you can see, you're not finishing many units. Okay, many units. And then since the assignment module, like here in the assignment module, you did very good. But this is below 70%. Okay? Below 70%. So if it says review, that means that you finished 100%, no? But remember, you need to get a score of above 70%, okay? But actually, we are here in this module, okay? I see you started, that was good. But I'm not showing anything for these other, just very little work in these other units, in these other modules, okay? So it's very important that you start getting caught up, okay? Very important. If you want to finish this week's module first and then try to catch up, that would be fine, okay? If you need any help with anything, please let me know. Or Innocent, the tutor, please let us know what we can do to help, okay? It's just very important that you start to catch up, okay? Thank you.